In this video, I'll guide you through how to compress video without losing quality. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, you need to open a browser and search for video compressor. Now, you need to open InVideo AI free video compressor and click on compress your video. On this compression tool, you can upload your video or you can also drag and drop your video file. Now choose your compression quality. If it doesn't sacrifice with your quality, then you need to select minimum and click on compress file. Now you need to wait for a few seconds based on your video duration. Once the compression will finish, then you can easily download the video by clicking on the download button. And this InVideo AI video compressor tool make your video 96% smaller. Your previous video size was 16.27 MB and your current video file size is 0.65 MB. To download the compressor video, you need to click on the download button. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily compress video without losing quality.